So what is tāniko? Well, tāniko is an ancient Māori weaving technique very similar to twining. Traditionally, we use the fibre from harakeke or New Zealand flax, coloured with natural dyes and then woven to create the borders of traditional garments, such as these cloaks. Contemporary materials and uses makes tāniko a wonderful pastime, and it's easy to get creative. Readily available materials such as twine, embroidery cottons, silk and bamboo threads that come in an amazing range of colours adds exciting possibilities to the tāniko technique. It's awesome to create items that can be used every day, items such as purses, bags, belts and guitar straps. Being a hand weaving technique, tāniko requires no special equipment, and so it's very portable. You can weave while watching TV, you can weave while at a game, or while waiting in the car at the school gate. You can weave while on long trips or while waiting for a flight, or even on the plane. Or you can simply sit back and weave while relaxing at home.